Here we go. Ocean Beach Pleasure Park log flume. Mark's sitting it out.
As per usual.
I came on this last year and the steepness of the lift hills really surprised me, so probably going to surprise me again, to be honest. Thankfully this guy's not real. Here we go. Shout out to the ride up. Top man, letting us film. Here we go. It's only a little drop, this first one, but it can be a bit of a soaker, as I found out last year. Here we go. Oh, we've got a bit of a rollback situation. Towards the final drop, which, if I remember rightly from last time, is a bit of a super soaker. You ready for this, Mike?
Not sure.
You're not sure? You will be in a minute. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get soaked. I am absolutely, oh no way, look at this, I am soaked.